Man, I've been waiting for this rain to die down or to stop raining, but doesn't look like it's gonna stop. So I said, F it, rain or shine, we out here. We gotta go. What up, you guys? Today's Monday, and as you already know, we gotta go get that work done. It's raining, and I just realized I forgot my glove. I guess it's just gonna be another day without the gloves. Thankfully the camera is waterproof, so we don't gotta worry about that. Rain or shine, we out here. I believe this is day 53. We haven't missed a day yet since the year started. Just gotta keep going. At least the rain is not coming down heavy. We're here, baby. We made it. Whew. Oh fuck. I just stepped. Ah shit. I just stepped in a puddle of water. Ice cold water. God damn it. My feet are gonna be cold now. Well, let's not think about it. Kind of hard not to think about because my foot is drenching in it right now. But it is what it is. Shit happens. Let's keep going. Both my feet are wet right now. I can feel water in my shoes. Cold ice water. But again, it is what it is. That's it. I ain't gonna lie. Today was a lot harder than expected. I forgot my gloves. My feet are soaked and wet. I got snow and water inside my shoes. But we came out here, we got it done, baby. Now we just have to jog all the way back home. I'm gonna try to put them shoes in the freaking in the boiler room, and hopefully it'll dry quick from there, so that tomorrow we're back at it again. And I gotta tell you, it feels so damn good to come out here. And surprisingly enough, I'm not cold. It's just my hands and my feet, and those are the two things you wanna keep warm, actually, and your head too. Actually, I just realized I forgot my what you call it, my beanie. I don't step in that water again. Look guys, this is what I stepped on earlier. These two things are filled with water, so I gotta be careful. Shit, I still stepped on it, even though I try to be careful. There's no way really around it unless I climb the freaking gate, but doesn't really matter. Let's go, baby, let's go. Just clean the lens though. I gotta clean the lens. Alright, we're good to go. Oh, my feet are soaking wet. Let me stop talking about that, because it seems like I'm complaining, but I'm really not. Whew. God damn it. Whew. Feeling tired. But as you already know, that's not gonna stop us. How are you? Yeah. I'm almost home. It feels so damn good. Ah, shit. Whew. And we made it, baby. Ah, we made it. Peace.